The Cybertruck is a Tesla Cybertruck replica made with wooden panels. It's like a, what are they? Beaver panel. Remember kids used to say that? You had the, was it the Jeep Wagoneer had the wood paneling?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you have a little throwback. Obviously, that's not a Cybertruck. What is this built on?
I'm not too sure. I guess we can find out.
Some kind of other truck. Since it's unveiling, the Cybertruck by C.J. Cromwell was created to participate in the Gambler 500 rally. Keep going. There's another car under the X, an Acura MDX. Oh, that's a weird.
So it's using gas.
That's a weird mod. Yeah, it's using gas. It kind of looked like an SUV to me, the shape of it, and then they've just built this plywood frame around it.
Yeah.
It is amazing to see how easily you can create the shape of the Cybertruck. It's such simple lines.
It's so angular.
Yeah. You can do it with plywood. Anybody can do it. I mean, there's work to it, obviously. But this guy actually drive this thing around or what?
Yeah. I mean, you have to. It's not like you can deconstruct it and...
Every time you can't just put the outfit on. You're going to get a lot of looks if you drove something like that. Even though it's just an MDX, people can be very curious if you're at the grocery store with that thing.
Yeah. I mean, good on them. Have fun with it.
It looks too small. You start to realize how big the Cybertruck has to be. Doesn't it look small?
Yeah. It looks squished. Like the front
exactly.
and back.
Yeah.
Doesn't have the long
Cybertruck.
They took it to a off-road site to play around with it.
Well, an MDX you can take an MDX off-road.
Yeah.
But I mean, not like that buggy in the back there.
Yeah. That's cool. Right on.